the students in other than academic activities like games, dance, whatever the other activities, the music, for example. These are essentially part of the curriculum that is provided by the CBSE. Moving to the more academic thing, that few things that I was sitting and watching, there is a list of the prize winners or the toppers from the 5th to 7th standard on the table here. And that gives me a satisfaction that not only our students in 10th standard who have excelled have over 90% of marks, but all the toppers from the 5th to 7th, the list is there, shows the marks above 90%. In a way, it shows that our students are prepared to aim at 99 plus right from the day they enter into the secondary section in the 5th standard. The teachers do this, the school does this, because we maintain a small strength in the class, not more than 30, 35, sometime maybe even 25. The parents have to take these things into consideration when the issues in a unaided, permanently unaided English medium school, because depending upon when you start, there is no method in the madness of the government. If you started English medium school in 1980, yes, you may get the aid. But if you have started the English medium school in 84 afterwards, then you are recognized on a permanent unaided basis. So it can so happen that one school at the end of Mulund East may be having the aid and another school is unaided. But the schools, particularly unaided ones, have the scope in experimenting in academics as well as extracurricular activities. And you have to understand that if the fees are little higher, the fee is higher because the strength in the classroom is much, much lower. I remember when English medium earlier was affiliated to SSC board, we had in a class sometime 50, 60 to begin with. But gradually we have seen to it that number is reduced to what is permissible under the CBSE curriculum, and we are doing that. Again, I do not want to stand between you and cultural activities. Even the program says the president's remarks, while the chief guest is always giving an address. So I would like to end by once again congratulating all the prize winners, and those who have not won the prize, you have an opportunity next year to perform very well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now, for the much-awaited prize distribution ceremony, I request my colleague, Mrs. Lakshmi, to take over.
A very good morning to one and all. Heartiest welcome to this august gathering who have assembled here for the 34th Annual Day celebrations. The students of our school are consistently striving hard to bring laurels to this institution. And the time has come to acknowledge their efforts by honoring them with prizes. I humbly request the Chief Guest of the day, Shri Arvind Rege, to do the honors. We begin with the roll of honors for the academic year 2015-16. The first position in Standard 5th was bagged by Miss Simran Pendarkar. Pranav, you come here. Parents, please applaud each and every child. The second ranker, Miss Adya Shetty. Standard 5th B, the first position was backed by two students, Miss Shreya and Miss Saili Joshi. Standard 6th A, the first ranker, Master Deep Jeste. Second ranker, Miss Shravani Kulkarni. Standard 6th B, the first ranker, Master Surya Sivaramakrishnan. Second ranker, Miss Vruti Shah. Standard 7th A, the first rank was shared by two of our students, Miss Pranita Rao and Miss Afreen Kerosinwala. This is Pranita Rao. And then here is Afreen Kerosinwala. Standard 7th B, the topper is Mihika Dalvi. And the second ranker is Miss Kushi Shetty. Now we move on to the endowment prize winners. Endowment prize winners. The first one is Srimati Padmaja V. Kulkarni Endowment Prize to the students of Standard 5th to 9th who stands first among both the divisions. Standard 5th, the toppers are shared by three students who bagged 92.8%. We have Simran Pendarkar, shared with Miss Shreya Sunil, and the third is Miss Saili Joshi. All of them obtained 92.8%. Standard 6th, the topper of the class among both the division, Master Surya Sivaramakrishnan, 96.3%. Standard 7th, the toppers are shared by two of our students, Miss Pranita Rao and Miss Afreen Kerosinwala, 98.5%. And this is Afreen. Next, late Shri Venkatesh Divakar Jere Prize to the needy and deserving student studying in Standard 9. The prize goes to Master Rohan Kenny of 9th B. Rajpal Endowment Prize to the needy or deserving or disabled handicapped child. The prize goes to Miss Varsha Ahirwal of Standard 5th A. Come, Varsha. Say thank you. Late Srimati Gauri S. Shetty prize to the needy and deserving student of Standard 10th goes to Master Rohit Shemigarappu of Standard 10th A. Now we have the sporting stars of our school. Our school, sir, please sit down, sir. Our school has got an excellent cricket team, a wonderful kabaddi team, a football team for girls, a football team for boys, an excellent march past troop, and a lazim troop. This year, our sporting teams have indeed made us very, very proud. In the Mullun Vidya Mandir tennis ball cricket tournament, 4-over match conducted in the Mullun Gymkhana, our team played a qualifying round against Tarun Utkarsh and won the match. They played the quarterfinals against Indian Education Society and won the match. They played the semi-finals against Lokmanya Tilak High School, Mulund West, and won the match. And finally played the finals against Holy Angels and bagged the trophy. The first winner of this tournament is BPM School. The team consists of the captain, Master Daivya Shetty, please come forward. Vice captain, Dipesh Hemdev. Best bowler, Daivya Shetty. Best batsman, Amrit Harindran. The teammates are Daivya Shetty, Dipesh Hemdev, Bharat Bant, Shri Krishna Naganathan, Tanish Gurav, Martand Karnek, Gaurav Chandwani, Sahil Gupta, Tejas Sawant, Rohit Tavde, and Amit Harindran. Sir, can you please come forward? Our guests are hidden. Come to one side. Arrange them. Arrange them. No? Two sides you make them. The guests are all hidden. Thank you, sir. And there's the last one. In the inter-school Thakur Nagar Vidya Mandir Kabaddi tournament. It was a 2-day tournament held at the ITI ground. They played the first, BPM team played the first knockout round against IES and won the match. The second knockout round was played against Purandare High School, Mulund West. They won the match. The third match was a quarterfinals, played against the BMC school and won the match. The fourth was a semi-final match, played against Holy Angels and won the match. And finally, in the finals, they lost for a very small margin, but nonetheless, they bagged the runner-up award. I call upon the team. Akshat Chachle is the captain. Please come, sir. Please do the honors. Chief guest Arvind Rege, sir. Please do the honors. Akshat Chachle is a captain. Vice captain Master Omkar Tilu, please come forward. The teammates are Daivya Shetty again, Pranav Thambe, Sanvik Kadam, Samarth Gorphade, Varnit Pawar, Varat Banj, Akash Bagwe, and Sumit Shinde. Please stand in the center, sir. Akshat, stand. Yes, children get closer. Come closer. Some of you all can kneel down, children. Some of you all can come down on the floor. The smaller ones. Sir, Matri. Please sit down. Yeah, small ones, yeah. Yeah. That's good. That's good.